Hey, what's up? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. This is going to be a quick video. I just want to talk about a dismissal for a client, and we we usually don't even ask people to send us the documents. We just are happy for them, but just to show people that our stuff is working, I wanted to put that on there. So the document is here. Is it here or here? No, the document's on this side. Document on this side, and um, you can see that it's dismissed. And what I'm going to do that I haven't done on other videos is I'm going to open up his file and actually look at what we got here. I want to see how we went after this one. We all know that PYOD LLC is a debt buyer. They buy credit card debt, they buy auto debt, they buy a lot of different debts. Looking at the affirmative defense, there was an affirmative defense on privacy, affirmative defense on sharing of private data between three different debt collectors that were named in the affidavit that they submitted. So that was using their own documentation against them for sharing private data without permission. The amount proving signatures, charges, balances, credits, payments, interest rate disclosures maintained by original creditor was not able to be provided. Um, Document showing purchase of alleged debt, including full account number. Document was not able to be provided. 1099C uh, documentation to prove that original creditor didn't file 1099C cancellation of debt was not provided. Documentation from original creditor stating that 100% of the alleged accounts were accurate. Information was not provided. Um, so this was a good outcome. Um, very happy for the client, saves them money, and they'll be able to move forward in their life. If you have any issues with third-party debt collectors or original creditors, we can help you either settle those accounts or we can help you fight, put together a defense to fight for yourself pro se in court. If you watch my videos, you know that there was a, a judge that was he was part of a consumer webinar that for a consumer rights group, and he stated that almost 90%, 99, 95% of the court cases that he see from third-party debt collectors do not have all the verifiable, valid information to, if the individual was there fighting for their rights, to be able to have the case go to a judgment. That he actually stated that. And so, at least at minimum, if you have um, debts collectors trying to sue you in court, and I would just say if it's like $1,000 or more, it would be to your best, uh, you know, for you to fight. If it's lower than that, maybe not, because you have our fee, and maybe a settlement could be struck for less than that, unless you just really truly believe that you didn't owe that amount, that it was just fees that they added up, and that you don't want to pay the third party debt collector anything. You do have that choice, but we can help you. The links are below this video. We have a program where you can learn to do it yourself, and you can just fight back against these third party debt collectors. Thank you for your time. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website the number 3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports. If you have third-party debt collectors coming after you, grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, debt validation, cease and desist collection activities letter to stop debt collectors before it gets to this point where they try to sue you in court. You always have a right to defend yourself, regardless if you owe the debt or not. You have a right with a third-party debt collector to make sure that they prove every aspect of the claim that they're trying to claim, of the amount that they're trying to say that you owe them in the court summons. Please like this video. Please share. Please post your questions and comments. Thank you for your time, and make sure you subscribe if I didn't say that. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.